Getting everything ready for spraying, and my pull behind aerator, plug aerator, has the tires broke the bead. It got so low. So I'm going to show you how to reseat that using a ratchet strap and a pump. Pull your strap through the outside of the ratchet strap so you can get a circle. Try to get that completely in the center of the tire and crank it down. It's going to push the tire out and seat it on the rim. You can see now the tire is seated. Got this little cordless air pump. Gonna hook it up. I hope it's got enough battery left. And turn it on. Starting to read 8 pounds, 8.5, 9 pounds, 10 pounds. So the tire probably seated. It's going up. I'm going to let it get to about 25 pounds, and I'm going to release the ratchet strap. 25. Tire seated. A little trick for you. It's a cool little pump. It's got a light on it. Do SOS, emergency stuff, but it's a cool little pump to have in your car. I use it for my electric bikes. You just charge it up there. You can also use it as a USB. You can charge your phone and stuff off of this. Neat little pump, pretty powerful. You can pump up a car tire with it. So I'll put a link down below for it. Do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. It really helps me out. Thanks. Things holding solid. That's how you reseat a tire. Smaller tires are easier with the ratchet strap, but you can do bigger tires. Sometimes you get lucky. Now you can. I should have soaped the rim on the inside and everything. I was just impatient, really, trying to show you real quick. If it busts its bead again, I'll do that. I'll clean it and soap it up. But I did both tires. Both tires are good. And then check my video out. I'll put a link below, but check my video out where I installed this deck wash on my Cub Cadet. Cub Cadet ZT150.